Yeah, I see this guy shopping. I'm about to get him. Mad.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean, bro?
What are you doing, man?
What you mean what I'm doing?
Come on, man, sneezing on me like that. Can your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you, man?
Why are you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's
whatever.
a sneeze. You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you could keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude.
You could keep shopping. You could keep shopping.